Now I will do this question by congruence modulo method. Again, keeping in mind that 35 is equal to 7 into 5 and 2023 is divisible by 7. First, I will divide what is the remainder when this is divided by 5. Clearly, 2023 is equal to minus 2 modulo 5. This is equivalent to 2023 to the power 2022 is equal to minus 2 to the power 2022 modulo 5. Why I have raised it to the power 2022, not 2023? The reason you will understand afterwards. This is equal to 4 to the power 1011 mod 5, and this is equivalent to minus 1 to the power 1011 modulo 5, that is minus 1 modulo 5, that is equal to 4 modulo 5. Actually, this method you can understand only if congruence modulo method is clear to you. Hence, I can say 2023 to the power 2022 is equal to 5n plus 4. And to make the power 2023, multiply both sides by 2023. Into 5n plus into 4. And note that 2023 is 289 into 7 into 5n plus 289 into 7 into 4. That is 289 into 35n plus 289 into 7 into 5 minus 1. That is 289 into 35n plus 289 into 35 minus 289 into 7. That is, you can see very easily from this I can take 35 common. I can write it as 35 lambda minus 290 minus 1 into 7. That is 35 lambda minus 290 into 7 plus 7. Because 5 can be taken common from this, I will get 35 into lambda minus 58 plus 7. That is, I have brought it in the form of 35 into some natural number plus 7. Hence, I can say 7 is the remainder